Get him. He doesn't have any food, hun. Where did he go? He's right there. See, I'm sorry, puppy. Or maybe that's Gatsby. Gatsby. Stay right here, Gatsby. Gatsby. Good job. Kitties like to be petted on their heads. Oh, he kind of liked that. Don't pull his tail. Just pet his body. You are just asking for trouble, Gatsby. Good job scratching his head. Is that funny? He's purring. I can feel it. Might be because I'm scratching his chin. More, yes. Can you make me more lunch?
Yeah.
I'm real hungry. Yes. Can you make me soup?
Yeah.
Nope, back to the cat. Oh, does Gatsby want some soup? Kitties don't like soup. That's okay. I'll drink your soup. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. It was delicious. Behave. He's right there. Okay. Ah. Ah. Oh, so delicious. Thank you. Oh, he went down to the basement. Sophie. Oh, Grace, be nice to Sophie. Did you find a kitty? Yeah. Sorry, Sophie. Unwilling sacrifice. You can't see her, but there's a cat in that bush. And all the grandkids know that that's her hiding spot. Not a very good one. Oh, you can see an ear. Meow. Teeth.
In half a mile, keep right at the fork. To continue on I-470 East, follow signs for Bel Air, Washington, Pa. New York, Amina from Beirut, Lebanon, and Tommy and Lizzie from Muscat, Oman, asking those very popular questions.
Humans have been trying to fly for a very long time.
It's hard to know exactly how long since we don't have any written records.
Keep right at the fork to continue on I-470 East.
We don't have any written records for all of human existence.
But the first historical account happened around the year 1000.
Al-Jawahi strapped 2 pieces of wood to his arms like wings and jumped off a tall building.
Needless to say, this didn't work. He died trying to soar like the birds.
But that didn't stop others from trying pretty much the same thing.
Several people in Europe tried strapping wings to their
This is gonna end poorly.
Finally, squeals of joy!
Are you dingling your earrings? Is that funny?
Hey, this thing is still like
We're playing with
not coming
all the
apart.
stuff that came home from great grandma's house. Are you done with your earrings? Oh no. Like some
Here's some more.
more earrings.
Look at the marbles.
No.
Wait, do
No.
you want a pretty bracelet?
Ooh, do you want a bracelet?
No.
Goes on your wrist. Bracelet. Just like that.
Perfect.
Good
Mm,
job.
perfect.
What is that? Monkey faces?
Who knows?
Entirely possible. What other treasures do you have, Grace? We'll pick it up. What other stuff do we have here? Pretty purse? Oh, you like your dingle earrings?
Something made by Aunt Berta.
All done?
Did we wear you out, Grace?
These kids love nothing more on Sunday morning than watching the vlog.
I want to watch the pocket one too.
Oh, the pumpkin ride's coming up. Oh, this is my favorite scene, guys.
I don't know if you guys heard her fake snoring.
They like that scene too.
Don't go away. Teach me how I must do. Now find a way. She's a big taste on my face.
Mm-hmm.